having an accountability partner can make the difference between you actually following through with creating video content and not. So your accountability partner can be anyone. It could be a family member, a colleague, a friend, someone who understands what it is that you're doing, what your goal is in creating this content, and who will give you honest feedback. Now, to elicit that honest feedback, I want you to ask very pointed, specific questions. So if you go up to your accountability partner and you say, hey, can you watch this video? And then at the end you say, well, was it good? That is such a vague, broad question that you're probably gonna get a response like, it was good. It was good. And it just makes the other person feel kind of awkward, because they don't wanna tell you, wow, that was terrible. Or I'm sure it's not terrible, because you are not terrible, you're awesome, and you're putting your heart into it and it shows. But nobody wants to hurt somebody's feelings unless you're a jerk. I want you to ask very specific questions. How was the opening of this video? Was it warm? Did I seem friendly? Was I rambling? Was the topic easy to understand for someone who has no idea of anything about my product or service? Was I relatable? What could I improve upon or do differently to make the next one even better? All right, now let's move on to episode number 9, where we will talk about the tools of the trade.